There's many panels out there that have a 25-year what we call performance warranty, but their parts and labour warranty is really only for 10 years. So it's important for us, for the businesses that we sell systems to get the full return on the system and for it to last that time. With a panel that's only got a 10-year warranty, if it fails in year 11 or year 12, then it's coming off the roof. There's 2 or 3 components about that. One is the client looking to replace the whole system. It'd be very expensive to get it off the roof and then obviously put a new system on. And the other side is you've got close to 400 panels in a 100 kilowatt system that then has to go to landfill. So we're sort of defeating the purpose of what we're wanting to do with solar, which one of the things is to improve the environment. So we're obviously reducing the energy from coal, we're getting it from the sun, but we don't want to then be counteracting that by putting cheap panels back into landfill or recycling them, and or manufacturing 2 lots of panels when you can spend a little bit more money and get a panel with a full 25-year product warranty that'll last the full 25 years. So you've got 2 components. You've got a return on investment for a longer period of time and a greater return, but further environmental improvements by not manufacturing panels twice and also not putting them into landfill. We know in this industry that there's a significant number of solar installations that are what we call orphan systems. They've been installed by companies that are now no longer in business, and they have no one to come and do like what we're doing here today, which is a 1-year installation check. Also with systems that have been installed by the people, other electricians and other solar companies are often a little bit reluctant to get involved with them, because once they start playing around with them, they sort of take on responsibility from a compliance point of view. So if you have a system installed by someone that's not going to be around, it's not always as simple as what you might think, is just ringing up some other solar business to say, hey, can you come and look at it? They're not always overly keen to do that. So investing in a local company where you can walk through the door and talk to somebody is critical, and these systems have a return on investment of 3 to 5 years, but in reality, you want them to be running for 10, 15, 20 years to really get that fantastic return.